The 21 bead wrist mala is a small mala that is worn around the wrist. It has 21 beads, including the larger bead, which is generally called a Guru Bead. The 21 beads on the mala represent 21 breaths, which is the average number of breaths in a 2-minute period. Of course, the mala can be used for counting mantras or even affirmations, prayers, and it's often called these are often called prayer beads. They're very similar to the Christian prayer beads that we can find, but the mala is generally contained of beads that are in multiple of 3s. It's a very auspicious number. The mala that we often see wore around the neck has 109 beads, and the 9th bead would be the mala bead. And again, in this case, it's a 21 bead mala. This is a very simple one on elastic. It can be worn around the wrist. Can be taken with the person at all times. And just a very brief example of how to use the mala. These are something that a lot of people wear, and they're made quite frequently. They're best if the beads are 9 millimeter, and then this is a 15 millimeter, in order to better fit the wrist. Otherwise, it's too tight or too loose. So, more importantly, just a little bit of an example how to count with the mala beads. Generally, the index finger is not used because it's considered to be really a part of the ego, like you're pointing at others. It generally represents that instead of that there is a duality, and so the index finger is just rested, and we're using the thumb and the second finger here, and the beads. If we're using it with the breath, we would be pulling the bead towards us like this. And this is a little bit fast because we would normally do it with the breath. One breath, one count on the top of the inhalation if we want to bring energy into the body. And we could pass the bead on the bottom of the exhalation if we want to relax a little bit more. And the reason I'm going quickly is because I want to get to the Guru Bead, because when we get to the Guru Bead, we don't want to cross over the Guru. The Guru Bead represents the connection between you and the teacher, whatever the teacher might be. Maybe it's a real person, or maybe it's nature, or maybe just the teachings themselves. So when we get to the Guru Bead, we put our thumb underneath, followed by the other finger, and then that means that this has changed directions. So we're not actually counting the Guru Bead. And again, I'm going quite rapidly. I just want to show that again. We come along upon the Guru Bead. We put our thumb underneath it, followed by the second finger. And we begin counting. So it takes 2 minutes to go through this, generally speaking, on the average, 22 or 21 breaths in a 2-minute period. So if we would do this 5 times, that would be a 10-minute meditation. If we do it 10 times, that would be a 20-minute meditation. And so that's the 21 bead mala. We run workshops at the Meditation Learning Center and make these from time to time. It's a lot of fun. The tricky part is to obtain 9 millimeter beads so that it fits well, and then a 15 millimeter bead here. Make sure that you have 21 beads and then 1 Guru Bead. If you have any questions, please write them below and I'll get back to you. Any comments? Write them below. Thank you.